In this video, I want to show you how to install SD card on your Wyze Cam V4. You want to install an SD card if you want the camera to record directly to it. So to do this, you want to get your camera. So the SD card slot is in here. So you want to pull the base up a bit, alright, to find the SD card slot. So this is it right here. So what you want to do next is to get a pin or a pen. And now you want to get your pin or a pen here to pull this out. Okay. So what you want to do next is to get the memory card. So this way, you're going to turn it this way and get it in. Now push it in. Okay, so that's it. And now you can replace this. So that's it. So you can hear that sound, meaning the camera has detected an SD card. So that's how to install your SD card. And if you want to remove it, what you want to do is to go back, get a pin or a pen, and get this out. Now you want to push the SD card, push it in. Okay, so that's how to eject it, and now you can remove it. Alright, so that's it. So that's how to install an SD card on your Wyze Cam V4. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.